What's up, y'all? It's Ocean TV, and we back with some more info that you need. But this time we're talking about, tell them,
Tourist visa.
you're extending your tourist visa. You
Yeah.
gotta make sure you keep that extended, man. So we're gonna give y'all the American point of view. We can't tell you for all different countries and stuff like that, but as far as America, we can tell you what we went through and how to make sure you don't get in any trouble for staying in Thailand for too long. Okay, so the first thing we gotta know is how long can you stay in Thailand when you get here?
You could say 60 days.
60 days is how long they give you for your tourist visa. Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh,
60 days is how long they give you for your tourist visa, right? So on your 55th day, when you're all comfortable and stuff, what should you do at that point, babe?
you should go figure out everything that you need to extend your stay.
Which
Meaning
is?
Meaning by you would need your passport photo, a copy of your passport, front and back, and a, a tourist visa application.
Yes. So the application, the passport photo, you can get that anywhere. Look up where you can get a passport photo from because they want a copy of it.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
You can get it from inside the place that you get your immigration stuff from, because they have it like right next door.
Keep going.
Yeah, that's it.
I feel like you get them anywhere, because they're before you even get to sit, you should already have extra ones because it's needed for so many things in Thailand. So you should always have extra passport photos. They're like 100 baht for 12. So look, they're anywhere. Literally, just ChatGPT, maps. You'll find it anywhere, right? Okay, so you need that, like she said, and then you need your the what's it called, the form to fill out.
Application.
Okay, the application. In this case, we didn't need the TM30, right?
No.
So in some cases, you need the TM30, which is an agreement of where you're staying. You can get that from your landlord or like the Airbnb host for your condo. But in this situation, to extend it, you don't need it. Okay, so 5 days before you ended up getting, like, on your 55th day, you come to IT Square. Now, ChatGPT, other people will tell you to go to the Immigration Bureau. You do not have to go to the Immigration Bureau. My girlfriend made that very clear for us. You can come right here to IT Square and tell them what's IT Square.
On the third floor in IT Square, all you gotta do is make sure you have all your documentations and fill it out, and then stand in line.
That's about it. And
They do stamps, and then you gotta pay as well. You gotta pay 1,900 baht.
each person.
Yeah.
So my best bet to y'all is come when they open. Come at 8, immediately at 8, because if you come after that, it is a long process. And at 12 o'clock, oh, it's raining. At 12 o'clock, they go on lunch break for an hour. So from 12 to 1, there's nobody in there. So just make sure you come early, get all your stuff in order, and make sure you're right here. Make sure you're right here and you're locked in, because you can get locked out and you'll be like, oh, I'm good. We just watched somebody who wasn't following directions stand in line for an extra hour and a half, 2 hours. We watched somebody get put out of line. Like, when it comes to extending the visa and immigration stuff, they don't play about that. They make sure everything is locked and loaded. So just make sure you're good. What other advice can we give them real quick because I'm gonna make sure it's a confusing process, and people don't really tell you that. Like, some people don't really give you the game about that. Oh, if you're American, you can, only for American people, I don't know about other countries, you can extend your tourist visa how many times?
3 times.
3 times, I believe, right? In 1 year?
I think.
I think it's 3 times in 1 year. We were under the impression it was 1 time. It's 3 times, at least 3 times a year. Don't quote us on that. I'm pretty sure. I know for sure it's at least 2, because this is our second time doing it, right? So why we extended ours? We extended ours because, matter of fact, you tell them what we're doing right now. What's the process?
We're getting our education visa, if y'all haven't seen in the other videos.
Exactly. So if you haven't, go look that up. We're getting our education visa for school right now. So the process takes 50 days. So we started out about 20 days ago. Now we're doing this right here. So we got 30 more days extension. And then by the end, before it's over, we'll have our full visas. So just a little recap for y'all, just so you got everything in one. And your 55th day, you need to go, if you don't already have your passport photos, go to IT Square, which is where we're at right now. Come to IT Square. Get you 12 copies, 100 baht, get you 12 copies, right, of your passport photo, 4x6. Then you got to get
A passport photo.
your passport photo, the thing that you came in with when they first stamp it. They want that front and back, boop, boop. also available to be copied in there, right? After you do those two things, you should, if you're smart, you already have the paperwork filled out.
Yeah.
You need to get your paperwork before you get here, so you're not staying in that long line forever. Get the application beforehand if you can.
Yeah, and there's also a thing that you can do online, but we don't be doing that.
We're gonna do it this time. Next time around, no, we're gonna do it.
Like,
There is something that you can do online, she right, and we don't remember it till we get there.
yeah.
So, and it'll save you a lot of time as well. So if you can figure out how to do it online and just extend your visa, and then you come in for the appointment and you go straight through, it's a lot easier than waiting there the whole day and doing
Yeah,
the whole process.
line, all
Yeah,
that.
for sure. But if you don't listen to that part and you're like a do-it-yourself kind of person, you get here by 8 o'clock, have your paperwork ready, have both copies, have cash. They do not accept cards. You need 2,000 baht, 1,900 baht cash. You need that. And you get approved. You get to chill for a little bit. What time we get here at? Like 10?
Mm-hmm.
Got here at 10. What time we leaving at?
Oh.
We're leaving at like, I think it's
2.
2:45 right now.
Last time it took way longer.
It did take longer last time for sure. But we weren't like in and out like that. So it's a simple process. It's kind of tedious though, but it's definitely needed because if you stay here longer than you're supposed to, they'll ban you. You can get banned from the kingdom for 3 months, 9 months, a year, 5 years. You don't want that. So stay up to date on all your visas, your visa runs. All right, so what you want to say about the visa run situation?
I don't. Go ahead.
I don't trust it. I don't trust the visa run situation. I hear so many people that give us different, oh, you can visa run all day long and make sure you're good. And someone told me they hired an agent to help them do their visa runs every 60 days so they don't get in trouble and stuff. And maybe it do work for some people, you know what I mean? But we just don't want to risk it though. Like, we rather lock in, at least get it for a year visa so we're good. We don't got to worry about like, oh man, where we going to go these 2 months? And can we come back? Will our house be there? Are they going to stop us at the door, ask us, you know, all those different questions. It is a risk. So that's my opinion. I don't, she ain't really give hers like that. What you feel?
I feel like I'm not doing the visa runs. I don't really have an opinion on it because I don't really think too much about that. I'm not doing something that's illegal. Not even illegal, but like something that could get us in trouble.
It's just risky. It's a risk that you don't really want to take when you're trying to stay somewhere longevity. You don't want to play with nobody's country. You know what I mean? So it's like we take that very serious. Not to say, I know a lot of y'all who watch this probably like, oh yeah, we do visa runs, bro. I never had a problem. We've met a lot of people that said they've had a problem with their visa runs. A lot of people that said they got denied at the door, had to go somewhere else for a couple of months, and we just don't want to deal with that. Of course we have the means to. Of course we can go, oh, we're denied, let's go somewhere else. But this is what we call home right now. So it's like, why not take all the time and steps to make sure we're good and locked in and not have to worry about nothing else. So that pretty much sums up the tourist extension for Americans. Don't quote us on that for any other country. I don't know about other country. Do your research on yours. But anything else you want to give them to them?
Nope, that's it. I think we gave y'all all the sauce.
Yeah. So if you made it this far in the video, comment visa and make sure you
Like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time.
we'll see y'all soon.